Greetings, fellow cosmic learners. Welcome to Cheon's Space School. At Cheon's Space School, we're not just exploring the universe, we're embarking on an educational odyssey. What is my pet? It is a cat. It is a cat. What is my pet? It is a dog. It is a dog. What is my pet? It is a hamster. It is a hamster. What is my pet? It is a snake. It is a snake. What is my pet? It is a guinea pig. It is a guinea pig. What is my pet? It is a goldfish. It is a goldfish. What is my pet? It is a gerbil. It is a gerbil. What is my pet? It is a budgie. It is a budgie.